Heated airer versus tumble dryer. Which is best? Heated airers and tumble dryers are both excellent ways to dry clothes when it isn't possible to dry them outside. They both have their pros and cons, so which is the best choice? Let's look at how they compare. First, which can dry the most laundry at once? Tumble dryers let you dry from between about 5 to 12 kilograms of wet laundry depending on the drum size. Most models have an 8 or 9 kilogram capacity. Heated airers can usually handle between 10 and 15 kilograms of wet laundry at a time. While 15 kilograms might sound like a lot more than the typical 8 or 9 kilograms you can dry in a tumble dryer, you will only be able to dry one load of laundry a day on a heated airer. In a tumble dryer, you could do several loads of laundry a day since they dry clothes much more quickly. Standard tumble dryer programs only take about 40 minutes to dry your laundry, whereas heated airers can take from 4 to 10 hours to dry clothes depending on the thickness of the materials you are drying. Next, let's look at running costs. Heated airers are typically much cheaper to run in comparison to tumble dryers. A 300-watt heated airer will use 0.3 kilowatt-hours of electricity per hour. If it takes 8 hours to dry your clothes, it would use a total of 2.4 kilowatt-hours of electricity. With current energy prices of 34 pence per kilowatt-hour, you would pay a total of 82 pence to dry your clothes. The average tumble dryer uses about 4.5 kilowatt-hours per cycle. So a single tumble dryer cycle will cost an average of £1.53. This means that tumble dryers cost about twice as much to run. What about the cost of buying a heated airer though? Not only are heated airers cheaper to run than tumble dryers, they are also usually much cheaper to buy. A cheap tumble dryer will cost about £150, while the most high-end models cost over £1,000. Even the most expensive heated airers rarely cost over £200, while you can pick up a cheap one for as little as £40. Heated airers are definitely a good option if you're looking to save money. Heated airers aren't always the most practical option though. Since they take so long to dry clothes, you need to be quite organised when doing your laundry. Heated airers are also large and can get in the way if you have a busy home, whereas a tumble dryer can be tucked away in a corner. Tumble dryers are definitely more convenient since they are quicker and there is less work involved in using one. One downside to the tumble dryer's speed is that the heat and agitation can be a bit too much for some clothes, causing them to shrink or get damaged. You need to be careful to select the right tumble dryer settings and make sure you don't tumble dry any clothes that say "do not tumble dry." With a heated airer, the risk of damaging your clothes is minimal. Heated airers are kinder to clothes and dry them much more gently. Another good thing about heated airers is that they are very quiet, unlike tumble dryers which can keep you awake or disturb you when you're trying to relax. Both tumble dryers and heated airers are fairly easy to use. Heated airers are much simpler, but they take a bit more work as you have to arrange the clothes on them yourself to get the best results. Tumble dryers are more complicated, but once you understand which settings to use, they are quicker to use and take less work. I hope this video helped you decide between choosing a tumble dryer and a heated airer. In summary, the main benefits of a tumble dryer are speed and convenience. The main benefits of a heated airer are that it costs less to buy and to run and will dry your clothes in a more gentle way. Don't forget to subscribe for more laundry and clothing care tips. Thanks for watching.